What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today's video I am here at the forest edge of Golfito, very close to a huge forest area. Right now I am just behind the clinic center of Golfito, trying to see what kind of birds I can call. Today's my birthday, so I thought it was a good chance to be with the birds during my birthday day. So the thing is that where I'm located right now, as you guys can see, there is a small creek over here. Over here, there is a lot of old buildings from the United Fruit Company. And over there is a water tank. So everything looks um, very abandoned, right? So if I walk right here, um, here we have a huge waterfall. So for a moment I thought that over here I could find swallow or swifts. But the thing is that I don't know if it is not the time, if it is more during dusk or during evening that I can see them. But right now there is no birds at all in the waterfall. I know that there are some species that they live in the waterfall, but in this case we cannot find them. Here is the creek. Here is something like the United Fruit Company built to prevent dirt or things coming over to the main clinic center area. And yeah, it's amazing to believe that very close to the clinic of Golfito there is this huge waterfall. I don't know how many meters or feet is this, but it's huge. And over here it's a huge area. Would be really cool to fly a drone, but right in that direction there is the small airport of Golfito, so it's impossible to fly the drone. Over here I gotta be careful with the snakes, but the thing is that I wanted to see these heliconia. Look at this. It's a beautiful heliconia. And then we have beautiful ferns and everything. So yeah. So right now it's noon, so obviously it's going to be more difficult to find birds. But the thing is that over here in the forest or in the tropical lowlands, it's so much easier to find birds during all day. Sometimes the birds they go into the forest or things like that, but right now I can hear a lot of birds. The thing is that for now they are not as cooperative as they are in the morning or in the afternoon. But the good thing is that sometimes they respond. So that's what I was trying to do. Okay, the thing is that when you're here at the jungle, um, you usually hear a lot of birds. Like right now, I can hear the uh, scarlet room cacique. But the thing is that if I put some playback on it, I don't think it's gonna come. So it's a little bit frustrating to hear a lot of birds and everything, um, but not being able to get a pretty good shot of them. I don't know what is it, but there's a lot of small creatures here in the creek. I think, oh my god, now I know what it is. Small shrimps. Haha, this is really good. Small shrimps. Like over there, there is one, and you can see them moving all the way around. This is really cool. Never seen shrimps in the wild. Okay, over here is a huge one. Alright, this is beautiful, isn't it? There's a lot of shrimps over here. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's go back. Okay, I think this is the end now. Um, See you guys on another adventure. Happy breeding, and see you guys out there. Bye bye.